Hello friends, let us solve some more examples on probability. So there is one result and it says if you have any two events A and B, then probability of A union B is the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So it is like this: if you have A, B here, and this is A intersection B. So this part is A union B. So probability of A, probability of B, and we need to see if I write probability of A, then this part counted, probability of B, this part also counted. So this part counted two times. We need only one time, so we are subtracting probability of A intersection B. So let us take one example. In a certain residential suburb, 60% of all households get internet service from the local cable company. 80% get television service from that company and 50% get both services from that company. So here if we draw the Venn diagram, it is like this. 50% get both the services. So here we have 50. 80% get television service. 60% get internet service. So internet service, television service. If 60%, then we need to write 10. And 80% television service. So here it is 30. What is the probability that it gets at least one of these two services? At least one of these two services means we need to find the probability of internet service union the television service. And that is nothing but this result we use P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is 60%. That means so it is P of I plus P of T minus P of I intersection T. So that is 0.6, 0.8 and minus 0.5. And so this is nothing but 0.9. Okay, so that is the answer. Now what is the next question? What is the probability that it gets exactly one of these two services? Exactly one of these two. So this is exactly one of these two. If I draw this, then this one. That is called exactly one of the. So probability of like exactly one of these services. So you draw the Venn diagram. This is called Venn diagram. So here 10, so that means it is 0.1. And here 30, that means 0.3. And so answer is 0.4. Next. During off-peak hours, a commuter train has 5 cars. Suppose a commuter is twice as likely to select the middle car, that is 3. So there are 5 train cars. So one, we call it is say P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So it says uh, suppose a commuter is twice as likely to select the middle car, that is car 3, as to select either adjacent car 2 or 4. So if we say Pi is nothing but the P of car I selected, or you can say P of Ei, then first it is given middle car 3. So what is the chances? twice as likely select the middle card 3 as to select either adjacent card 2 or 4. So P3 equal to 2P2 and equal to 2P4, and is twice as likely to select either adjacent car as to select either AND car 1 or 5, and is twice as likely to select either adjacent car, that means P2 and P4. It's twice as likely to select either adjacent car as to select either AND car 1 and 5, 1 or 5. So P2 and P4, these are the adjacent car, either adjacent car, and twice likely to select like either AND car 1 or 5. So P2 equal to P4 equal to, this is P2 and equal to P4, but that is equal to 2P1 equal to 2P5. Obtain the probability that one of the three middle cars is selected. One of the three middle cars, that means we need to find P2 plus P3 plus P4. Now all we know the sum of all the probability is 1. So P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 equal to 1. Now let us convert everything in terms of, say, suppose P1. So P1, now P2. So P2 here, P2 equal to 2P1. So that is 2P1. P3. P3, P3 is equal to 2P2 here, and P2 equal to 2P1. So 2 into 2P1. So that is nothing but 4P1. So that is 4P1. P5 is equal to, so here 2P5 equal to, sorry, P4. So P4 equal to 2P1 and P5. So 2P5 equal to 2P1. That means P5 equal to P1. So all you see, add, you will get P1 equal to 1 by 10. And now we want required probabilities P2 plus P3 plus P4. Now P1 is 1 by 10. So P1 is 1 by 10. So what is P2? P2 equal to 2P1. So that is 0.2. Then P3 is equal to 4P1. So P3 equal to 0.4. And P4 is equal to 2P1. So that is 0.2. So P2 plus P3 plus P4 is equal to 0.2 plus 0.4 and plus 0.2. So 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.2, and that is nothing but 0.8. Next, you have 600 mysteries on your bookshelf and 600 science fiction books. So we have like six books here, mystery book and science book. The first three of each type are hardcover and the last three are paperback. So here, first three hardcover and next three paperback. Here, three hardcover and three paperback. Consider randomly selecting one of the six mysteries. So there are six mystery book, and we need to select one of the six mystery, and then randomly selecting one of the six science books. So one of the six science books select, one of the six mystery books select. So now required probability is what? So first is selecting a mystery book, so total 6. Second selecting a science book, that is also total 6. Find the probability of the event that both selected books are paperbacks. So now we have 3 paperbacks for mystery, so probability is 3 by 6. We also have 3 paperback of science book, so that probability is also 3 by 6. So total 2 books selected, and then the probability is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means it is 1 by 4, so it is 0.25. Next, a university warehouse has received a shipment of 25 printers, of which 10 are laser printers and 15 are inkjet model. So total 25 printers are there, 10 are laser printer and 15 are inkjet printer. Now, if 6 of these 25 are selected, so total number of selection is 6 selected out of 25. So it is 25 C6 that you studied in your 11-12 standard combination. And checked, and to be checked by particular technician. What is the probability that exactly 3 of these selected are laser printers? So laser printers are 10. So total number of favorable event, like PA. So N is 25C6, and number of possibility in favorable, say we write say A suppose. Then it is 3 of the selected are laser printers. So laser printers are 10. So that is 10C3. But then we are selecting 26 total, but we have already selected only 3. So now the remaining 3 must be of the other type. That means inkjet printer. That means that is into 15C3. So what is the required probability? 10C3 into 15C3 divided by 25C6. And you use the calculator, you will get the answer as 0.3083. Okay, thank you.